Well guys, it's tightening my pellet gun. I don't know if y'all can see that pop bottle on top of that jug. That 5-gallon bucket. So I'm shooting at. I'm aiming at the red part. It's a Pepsi bottle. I haven't shot this pellet gun in a couple years, so I don't know how accurate it is, and I'd like to kill a couple rabbits with it. So let's see what we can do. Oh. That's a hit. Let's go see where I hit it. Well guys, I shot about 5 inches high. So we'll bring it down and try again. Well guys, moved about 8 clicks. Let's see if that makes a difference. That was a hit. And by the way, if y'all was wondering, I'm just using these Crossman, or Premier, I think I'm saying it right. I think it's by Crossman. Super Point hunting pellets. Seem to kill everything I shoot them with, so let's go see where this one hit. And whoa, that looks like a miss. Maybe I went the wrong way, guys. I don't think I did. I was on. I don't know. Let's try it again.